She could have avoided this. Filler gone wrong. What does she regret?
Little context if you care to listen. I find myself in a shit position. The man that I love sat me down last night.
Okay. So there's a couple of different things here. You're looking like American Dad now. That is absolutely amazing. So a couple different issues. Number one, remember that these are influencers. Influencers are always going to take the worst part of something and blow it up and make it seem like it's every part of it. So it looks like this is maybe right after the injections, and after injections, for the first 2 weeks, there's going to be a lot of inflammation. So if you fill in the jawline, you're going to get some inflammation to where it looks really big. A lot of times we especially have to talk about the chins. When we do a lot of chins, and we do a lot because that's one of the most undertreated areas in females, is making sure we do the chin and balance their chin to their nose and their lips. A lot of times females will say they look like a witch or I look terrible within the first 2 weeks. And we have to tell them that that's absolutely normal. There's going to be some swelling and you're going to look a little bit witchy or a little bit inflamed around the jawline. Now, this is a natural result to the inflammation of injecting something like hyaluronic acid, which is in a filler, into your body. Your body's not used to it. There's going to be inflammation. We're poking you a lot. We're moving a lot of blood vessels around, as well as causing a significant amount of inflammation in the area. So there will be inflammation. So this might be, a few days after that she just got injected with a lot of filler in the area, and she swells up really, really big, but then when it goes back down after a few weeks, it looks better and better. Now, actually, let me see what this lady looks like afterwards. Charisse Bounter. So if you actually look at the rest of this lady's profile, her face has slimmed out. She's got a nice long chin. You can tell she's done filler in the jawline and the chin, but it looks very, very natural. So we might have caught her, or she might have created this video at the worst possible time. But remember also, filler is not permanent. It's going to absorb into the body. So it could have been a few months or a few years ago that she actually got this treatment done. Now, based off the fact that she has continued to get aesthetic treatments, obviously it turned out a lot better than she thought. This could be just clickbait, but a lot of times, again, injectors will also overfill. Less is more when it comes to filler. 1 to 2 syringes in the chin and another 1 to 2 syringes on the sides of the jawline is really the maximum amount we do at any given time when starting to fill the chin and the jawline. Slow and steady always wins the race when it comes to filler, as well as not watching TikToks and thinking I'm going to look like that every single time I go to an injector. A well-educated, well-certified injector will never make you look like this on purpose. I think this is just some sort of inflammation that might have happened right after the treatment, judging by her newer pictures that make her look very thin. And the settled version of the treatment looks very natural and very clean on her. So I think this is a little bit of just clickbait there.